The smell of meat cooking on a grill is a sure signal that summer's in full swing. Charcoal can get messy and propane can be expensive. But there's an alternative that takes cooking with gas to a whole new level. Meet Brian Gilliott. He's been in the gas business for 27 years and shows homeowners how natural gas is a great alternative to the outside barbecue grill. Hi Brian, explain to us why people are making the move to natural gas grills.
It's a much more reliable source of fuel. You're not going to run out. You're not going to be having a big party and be nervous you're going to run out. It's always there. It never stops.
How about let's talk a little bit about safety. Any concerns?
The safety is going to be real similar to that of any grill. The biggest thing with safety with the grill is keeping it clean, not getting the grease buildup, whether it's on the heat tents or in this case briquettes, the drip trays, the drip cups. You got to keep all that clean. You got to keep that out of there. That's where the fires you see on the news and such, that's probably what started it, was just an overflow of grease and a very hot grill.
Yeah. Take us through the process of installing a gas grill.
Well, this one wasn't too bad. There was an old gas grill here we took out. There was a gas line that we were able to tie onto that was in great shape. So we just dig the old one out. We set the new one, run a new line down the post, tie into the existing plastic line, pour concrete around it, put the top on, and away we go.
A lot of yours are retrofits?
They can be, yes. They're replacements. A lot of replacements we do for older grills, 25, 30, 40-year-old grills. We do a lot of those.
But you have a company that will run the natural gas line,
yes,
right?
yes. We have a way to get a gas line to a grill, yes.
Setting up the grill, you really knocked it out in about an hour.
We've got it kind of down to a science. As I look at this one, is this an average one? And let's talk about cost. This is a grill. It's made in the United States. It's got a lifetime warranty on the burner, the grates, the casting, the post.
That's pretty nice right there, lifetime warranties.
People love that. We get a lot of complaints, people coming in, the grills they're buying at the big box stores are lasting 3 to 4 years. If people are grilling year-round, that's all they're going to get out of a big box store grill. And if they're grilling that much, they're going through a lot of tanks.
Yeah.
So this is where the gas line, the natural gas line,
is very nice.
That's what they like.
This cost would be what?
I think this one's between $1,000 and $1,100.
And I can go a little less?
You can go a little less, you can go a lot more.
Yeah.
Yes.
As we were talking earlier,
yes.
You were explaining, I mean, it can get elaborate out here in terms of my
they can get
outdoor
very elaborate,
kitchen.
Yes, very elaborate, very fancy. It's amazing what people want and what they like and all the different setups that we can get, that we have.
You bet, you bet. Now, gas grills aren't the only thing that you're installing, right?
No, we have gas lamps. It's an older technique for light, but it's kind of a vintage look. You saw a lot of those in the 70s, but a lot of them got turned off. That's kind of something that's coming back. It's a very unique look. They're very bright. It's amazing how bright they are.
And fire pits?
Fire pits, that's been very popular. A lot of people don't want to use the wood. They just want to walk out, turn it on,
Sure.
sit there for a while, turn it off, go back in the house, not have to worry about getting the wood going.
Well, Brian, a lot of great ideas. Thanks for sharing this with us. And if you'd like more ways to save energy, check us out on Facebook.